I will attempt to sharpen this with this and see if it really can do the job. This is supposed to be a professional rolling knife sharpener, apparently. It's made of tungsten steel and it comes with this nice wooden base here, and the company claims it can give you a razor sharp results in seconds with no experience required. Let's see if that's true. Right out of the box, it does feel nice and solid. The wood base is smooth and has nice weight to it. It's not going to slide around on you due to the rubber rings and the rubber feet on the base. The tungsten steel roller feels premium, and the magnetic bracket here, that's supposed to hold your knife securely. The blades are removable if you need to replace them at all. Starting with this kitchen knife here, which definitely seen better days, the sharpener base gives you two angles. It gives you the 15 degrees for ultra sharp edges and 20 degrees for more durability. So the process is pretty straightforward. You secure your blade on the magnetic bracket like this, and you can feel the magnet grab onto the knife pretty well. And once that's done, then you can get your roller and you can roll it across like this, but I'll show you later. I will do the coarse side first for 2 minutes and the smoother side for 2 minutes on the 15-degree angle, because I want that razor sharp edge that's advertised, and then repeat it again on the other side. So this is what the knife is like right now. So if we grab a piece of paper and let's do some cut tests. So you can see it's pretty blunt. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it's very, very blunt. Yeah. And after that, I'll use a strop a few times just to finalize the sharpening, which is the leather. So this is the box that it comes in. Nothing special. Made in China. And you get your instructions here. And there's the roller itself and the base, and that's it. So on the roller itself, you've got these little caps, and there's the coarse side and there's the fine side. It is real wood. Alright, so the base itself, there's your 15-degree angle and your 20-degree angle. So we'll use the 15-degree to sharpen the knife. Now I did say I was going to start with the coarse side and then the fine side. Okay, well, I'll put the timer on. 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the coarse, 2 minutes on the fine side. Alright, now on the fine side, start the timer. Let's change sides, and we start with the coarse side on the other side, and then we'll continue to with the finer side. Okay, now the fine side. Let's go. Now I usually get the strop out, and I do the rough side first, the rough side leather first, and the other side on the fine side. Now mind you, this knife isn't anything special, it's a real cheapie. So here's the test. Let's see if we can cut the paper. Oh, it's a lot better, isn't it? I mean, I've still used a better sharpening, but it's a lot better than what it was. Well, there you go. Well, one thing I wanted to tell you is, if you wanted to use it on, say, a pocket knife, it won't work. It sits too low. It doesn't really work on small knives. It's got to be up like that. So that's actually a noticeable improvement. The edges feel sharper and it's cutting much cleaner than before. It's not the best, but it was for only 4 minutes on each side. So obviously if you do more minutes, you'll get a better better result. So the motion is smooth. The magnetic system does keep everything stable, kind of. I did have to put my finger on it a few times. Does it really do the job? I'd say yes, sort of, with some caveats. I can see it being convenient in the kitchen. No clamping systems and no complicated setups. The magnetic system does work and it keeps your knives kind of stable. I wish the magnets were just a little bit stronger. The results aren't going to match any professional sharpening service, but for quick touch-ups at home, this gets the job done, sort of. What I mean is the knife was quite blunt to start with and it may take longer to sharpen, but once sharpened, so you do that extra like 5 or 10 minutes to sharpen it, and if you're using the knife, the next time you go to sharpen it, obviously it's not going to take that long. I mainly use a sharpening rod like this in the kitchen, and I just a few times like this, and it's really, really sharp. Now the build quality of this roller feels really solid, and the size is about 3.35 inches and 1.97 inches. And the price, well, it's really affordable and it won't take much space in your kitchen. Overall, if you are looking for an easy, no-fuss way to maintain your knives, this roller sharpener delivers. Anyway, if you are interested, links will be in the description below. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And did you watch this one yet? Check it out, you might like it. And until the next time, I'm out of here.